Good morning, everyone. I'm here today to discuss Clostridium, a genus of gram-positive, spore-forming bacteria. Through this presentation, I'll be introducing you to this bacteria and providing you with an overview of its different aspects. Get ready to learn more about Clostridium. Clostridium is a genus of gram-positive, spore-forming bacteria with a wide range of species, found in many different environments, including soil, water, and the intestinal tracts of animals and humans. Morphologically, Clostridium is a gram-positive shape with a cell wall structure composed of peptidoglycan and coagulase. Its cells are usually long, slender rods or short, irregular rods, and typically produce oval or club-shaped spores. It is anaerobic and can utilize a variety of substrates for energy production, and can also produce a range of compounds, including toxins, acids, enzymes, and alcohols. Clostridium is known for its capacity to cause disease, with food poisoning, botulism, and antibiotic-resistant bloodstream infections being the most frequent illnesses. Detection and identification of the species of Clostridium present and the extent of its distribution can be done using a PCR, culture, and serology. Summarized here are important details of Clostridium, providing a glimpse of its characteristics and how it can affect us. Clostridium is a large and diverse genus of bacteria belonging to the phylum Firmicutes. Over 200 species of Clostridium have been identified, including Clostridium botulinum, Clostridium difficile, Clostridium perfringens, Clostridium tetani, and Clostridium septicum. These species are all gram-positive, spore-forming, and anaerobic, and can be found in a wide variety of habitats. They are also responsible for many serious diseases in humans, animals, and plants, which necessitates accurate classification and understanding of their biology in order to develop effective control strategies. Morphologically, Clostridium bacteria are rod-shaped and measure 0.5 to 2.0 micrometers in length and 0.2 to 0.5 micrometers in diameter. Additionally, they are anaerobic and form spores that enable them to be extremely resilient to heat, radiation, and disinfectants. Clostridium is a highly diverse genus of bacteria found in a variety of different habitats, such as soil, water, and the intestinal tracts of humans and animals. It is even capable of colonizing the human skin and mucous membranes. This species is incredibly adaptable, able to survive in extreme environments, like highly acidic soils or areas with low oxygen levels. It truly can be found in almost any environment. Clostridium bacteria are incredibly adaptable to changing environmental conditions and thrive in the absence of oxygen. Their metabolism allows them to ferment a multitude of carbohydrates and generate organic acids, as well as various gases, as their byproducts. Additionally, Clostridium species possess enzymes that can break down complex molecules, such as cellulose, into simpler compounds. These capabilities make Clostridium bacteria a powerful tool in many areas. Clostridium bacteria are known to cause various diseases in both humans and animals. Their virulence is largely due to the production of toxins and enzymes that can lead to severe damage of host cells and tissues. A well-known example is C. botulinum, which produces botulinum toxin. Ingestion of this toxin can cause botulism, a severe form of food poisoning. Symptoms range from mild to severe, even potentially leading to death in some cases. It is therefore essential to comprehend the range of virulence of Clostridium so as to effectively identify and stop its transmission. Clostridium infections can be difficult to pinpoint as the bacteria may stay hidden in the body. However, laboratory procedures like cultures, microscopy, and molecular techniques can accurately detect the bacteria in clinical samples such as blood, stool, or wound swabs. These approaches allow medical professionals to correctly diagnose and treat the infection in a timely fashion. Proper measures can be taken to reduce the exposure to Clostridium and promote good hygiene practices to help prevent and control Clostridium infections. In some cases, vaccination may even be recommended. The use of antibiotics and other medications, as well as supportive care such as fluid replacement and wound management, are vital for controlling Clostridium infections. Being proactive and taking the necessary steps to prevent and control Clostridium infections is essential. Clostridium is a genus of gram-positive, spore-forming bacteria that are often associated with infections and illnesses. Unfortunately, some strains of Clostridium are becoming increasingly resistant to antibiotics that are commonly used to treat infections caused by these bacteria. This presents a significant public health threat, and it is essential that new treatments and prevention strategies are developed in order to combat this increasing problem of antibiotic-resistant strains of Clostridium. Have a number of significant industrial applications. Clostridium is used for the production of biofuels, such as butanol and other renewable energy sources. Additionally, several other species of Clostridium are utilized in the production of various chemicals, like acetone, ethanol, and lactic acid, showing the great potential of Clostridium to have an impact on the technology industry. Thank you.